PC. Man, I got another little budget find right here. Free Tiger. Folding knife. G10 handle. Decent packaging, man. I throwed it back in. This ain't the first time it's been open. Little pouch action, little brochure. Just a folded over, little brand story, product making, blippity blop, bloop. But decent. It's in a box. It ain't no damn blister packaging. But the Free Tiger, man, I couldn't hardly pass it up. I was cruising through the White Mountain Knives, lowest price first, trying to look at something interesting. Popped on this, $20.99. G10 handles, D2 blade, crossbar lock. Man, I am thoroughly impressed at the $20 mark. Stainless steel liner or steel liners. Now the deep carry pocket clip. The clip is sitting on top of the G10, but it doesn't seem to snag in and out of the pocket. The screws are sitting on top of the clip. So I mean it's got the $20 all over it there. I mean it's not recessed and trimmed and proper, but I mean you're looking at a work knife at this point. It's not a showpiece. Good solid texture on that. You can hear the thumb popping back on it. It's you're gonna get a good solid hold on it. And then this access lock crossbar action, man, it's pretty solid. Good pull on it. It'll fly on the thumb stud. I don't think it'll reverse flick. I don't know. Let's try it. I don't even think I've tried it before. Anybody else could probably get it. Almost there. If I mess with it, it might happen. Let you soak that in. Take a look at the overall, just under 8. Well, no, not just under 8. It's about 7.5. 7.5 inches. Right at 7.5 overall. Handle length, 4.25. Blade length, 3 and a little bit over a quarter, 3.35 inches. 0.12 inch on the blade thickness in the D2. Satin finish. Let's see here. I've done a little bit of working with it, but let's see. Look, $20, man. $20. And she is a slicer. Weighs in at 3.63 ounces. Cannot complain about it. Can't find nothing wrong with it. A little jimping on top would have been nice, but let's see, kind of feeling that. I mean, it's a flat grind. Pretty much your standard blade shape. You can definitely, there's a little bit of, Benchmade aspects they're coming after. Lanyard hole. Didn't go crazy on the hardware, overdoing it. Haven't had this one apart yet, but pretty standard affair. I mean, it's a good solid access bar, crossbar lock, and $20.99. I'll definitely be taking a look at a couple more of these Free Tiger knives. They're definitely something to throw and give a shot. I mean, I've picked up some of these budget knives, and man, do they feel budget. This does not. This does not at all. Above and beyond on the $20 mark. And the I've yet to have any issues with that lock bar. And it is pretty fidget friendly. So no complaints. Definitely gonna keep going. I was trying to see what that logo. I guess that's the you got the D2. You got the D2, and then you've got, I'm guessing that's the model number, and then the Free Tiger logo on the blade. Not too big on, too crazy on the billboarding. Pretty simple. $20 knife over at White Mountain. Short, sweet, solid buy. No complaint whatsoever. Good work knife, man. They are really, some of these companies are really starting to hit the mark on a knife that you can throw in the old fishing box. You can throw it in the pocket, go out in the yard, beat and bang around. And if you lose it, you tear it up. Your feelings ain't too hurt on a $20 knife. I'm just tickled, man, tickled off of this that kind of action right out the box for $20. Y'all go over to White Mountain Knives, check these out. They were in stock last time I looked. They're pretty plain. I don't think there's a lot of color options on them. But there is a lot of these other Free Tiger knives. I'm gonna start working my way through as I can muster up a little cash flow and get some more of these in. Pass them on through. Might drop them an email. Maybe they'll send me a couple to sponsor a giveaway or something. Definitely go check them out. You throw in the code, man, you're under $20 and free shipping. Deal. Done deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Love them things, man. They really enjoy that feedback. Y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe. See you later.